I'm going to press calendar. It'll take me to our class calendar. Then if you want an appointment, you have to press find appointments, select the class. Then I'm going to select the appointment that I want. I want this 10:35 and just kidding. Let's say I want this 10:05. Okay. It says my 10:05 to 10:20, it's 15-minute appointments, and you meet me in our class in a special class meet, okay? Our async day meet. And I want to talk about, okay? And then you press reserve. The appointment becomes like kind of grayed out once that appointment is taken. So I'm going to close this. And you can see on my calendar now, I have the 10:05 appointment is scheduled on my calendar. Okay, so you have that appointment. You know you have to meet me at that time. Okay, let's say I want to cancel that appointment. You're going to go to find appointments and then click open the event again, and you can just unschedule. Okay, and I figured it out. Is a good reason, okay, to cancel the meeting. All right. So that is it. That's how you schedule a meeting.